Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make fruit salad with chia seeds. Start by washing and chopping your chosen fruits and measuring chia to bloom. Mix bloomed chia with chopped fruits, a splash of lemon, and a touch of honey for sweetness. Toss gently to combine, taste to adjust sweetness, chill briefly for best texture, and serve chilled for a refreshing, nutritious dish everyone can enjoy together. Choose a balance of sweet, tart, and textural fruits to create interest and contrast. Start with firm fruits like apples and pears, add soft berries, and include citrus for brightness. Consider color variety and cut fruits into similar bite sizes to make eating easy. Sprinkle in herbs or nuts for crunch and reserve some juices for light dressing. Taste and adjust sweetness before serving to ensure perfect balance every time. Quick recommendation: if you enjoy this guide, please subscribe and like the video to support more recipes. On another note, the Echo Dot smart speaker brings music and timers to your kitchen, so you can set multiple timers hands-free while preparing fruit salad. It fits small spaces and fills the room with sound. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you find this helpful, hit subscribe and like. Now let's get back to the video. Chia seeds absorb liquid to create a gel that binds ingredients and adds fiber, protein, and texture. Use about 1 tablespoon of chia per cup of liquid for a pudding-like consistency, or 2 teaspoons per cup for a lighter texture. Bloom chia for at least 10 minutes, or refrigerate overnight for thicker results. Store leftover salad in an airtight container for up to 3 days, stirring before serving to recombine juices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.